Listen. Hey, I know y'all don't want your cartoons looking bummy and stuff, some messed up hairlines and everything, so we had to come back to this. But first off, I want to say this video contains paid sponsorship from Artemino. Now, Artemino is an active community that covers a really wide range of interests from digital art, sculpture, watercolor, and even more. So it gives you a good opportunity to connect with people that share the same interests as you. For me personally, I like the wide variety of art that's posted. I'm talking from different styles to different skill levels and more. And it gives you a place to discover a lot of talented artists and connect with them too. Hey, as you can see through the feed, there's a lot of crazy good artists. Along with that, you can take quizzes, you can answer questions, and you can even vote on polls about different subjects. Like I said, it's a very active community. As you can see in the live layer, there's 110 people chatting, 53 voting on polls, and Amino gives you the opportunity to connect with people through text, voice, and avatar chat. So I went on Amino, I made a little poll on Amino. Hey, you guys can go check it out so I can get some different opinions on it. Alright, now in the first hairstyle video I did, I used the Copic and Prismacolor markers that I had. I said I would make another video just like that using color pencils, so that's what I'm pretty much doing in this video. You know, it's the summer, you gotta get your cartoons looking right. Listen, but you know, since I used colored pencils in this one, it took like a long time to do, like way longer than what it normally takes with markers. So listen, I had to speed up certain parts because I wasn't trying to have this video be like 18 hours long. So I'll try my best to explain like what exactly I'm doing in each spot where it's sped up more. I'm not talking the entire time, but I will come back in certain parts and talk about it. Now, with the colored pencils, I'm basically going from light to darker. And since my guy has black hair, I'm going to use different shades of gray to create like a little bit of a fade. So all I basically did was lay down the light color first where he doesn't have that much hair. And then it got darker as I moved up to the top of his head where he has the most hair. You know, in this video, I'm using the Prismacolor pencils. So y'all might have something different kind of colored pencils, but it's the same idea. Now listen, keep in mind, I'm still trying to learn how to blend these colored pencils. I ain't no pro or expert or anything like that. Hey, don't expect all that. I'm just showing y'all how I like make the hair and blend and stuff as of now. But, you know, I'm gonna be better at this in the future though. Now, after I got the foundation laid down, all I'm doing for the next like 3 to 4 minutes in this video is just layering over it. Hey, I'm just adding more layers to like smooth it out, make it more of a solid color. You know, I started with the lightest, just went over the light area again, went to the next darkest area, go over that. And I was doing that over and over again till it was like a smooth, solid color. Now, I wasn't like pressing super hard on the pencils trying to make it dark. Like I said, I just added more layers to make it more of a solid color. So that's what it turned out looking like. And listen, you can also use alcohol to like blend the color pencils better. You know, I just put a little bit on a napkin and went over his hair real quick. But that's pretty much it. Alright, for this second part, hey, I did exactly what I did in the first part, just with different colors. So after I finished like drawing his hair and stuff, my guy has brown hair, so instead of using like the light grays to dark gray, I just used light browns to the darkest brown I had to create like a little fade for his hair. Hey, now this sped up portion, hey, it's the same thing what I did in the first drawing. I just kept layering and layering over the colors just to make them more solid. So that's why I like sped it up a little bit. then this part, like, I wanted to make the fade look a little bit more like pronounced. So all I did was I erased some of the bottom part where the lightest brown was, and I colored it in using a skin tone color. And then after that, all I did was put like a real light coating of the lightest brown again over the skin tone color. And that was pretty much it for that part. Hey, but that's pretty much it. That's how these ones came out. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Thanks for clicking watching it. I'm gonna for sure have a part 3. I'm gonna definitely do a lot different hairstyles in part 3. So please subscribe if you haven't already. And I'm out.